To recover deleted files on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first we're gonna go to the Photos app. So if you removed photos or videos in the Photos app, then in this case we can go to the albums over here, scroll down, and then we have recently deleted. And now you should be able to open any of these photos, and you can, for example, restore by using this circle with an arrow, or you can press and hold your finger in order to select all files that you want to recover, and then use the restore button at the bottom of the screen. Besides that, you can also use the My Files app. So if you removed something from this file manager, in Files category, we can scroll down and find recently deleted at the bottom. And then in here, you can press and hold your finger in order to select a file, and we have the recover option at the bottom of the screen. Also, we have the Files app by Google. And in this case, we can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, and then we can go to bin or trash. And in here, we can also find, for example, photos, videos, and all other files that you have removed using the Files app. Unfortunately, files that you have removed in My Files are not in here for some reason. They are not synchronized with this app. But as you can see, we can restore files in here as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.